In today's lesson, we'll explore simple present, past, and future tenses through everyday activities. These examples will help you understand how actions are expressed differently depending on when they happen. Let's begin with 5 common examples. Eating breakfast. Present tense. I eat breakfast every morning. Past tense. I ate breakfast yesterday morning. Future tense. I will eat breakfast tomorrow morning. Going to school. Present tense. She goes to school by bus. Past tense. She went to school by bus last week. Future tense. She will go to school by bus next Monday. Playing with friends. Present tense. He plays with his friends in the park. Past tense. He played with his friends yesterday. Future tense. He will play with his friends after school. Doing homework. Present tense. He does his homework. Past tense. He did his homework after dinner last night. Future tense. He will do his homework after dinner tonight. Watching TV. Present tense. I watch TV every day after doing homework. Past tense. I watched TV last night. Future tense. I will watch TV after doing homework. By using these examples, you've learned how to describe actions in the past, present, and future. Practice using these tenses in your daily conversations to improve your English skills. Keep learning, and see you in the next lesson.